Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we going to checking out 5 best replacement headlight bulbs you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best replacement headlight bulbs in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Sylvania H11 XtraVision Halogen Headlight Bulb. The Sylvania H11 XtraVision bulbs deliver up to 40% more light on the road compared to standard halogen bulbs. This increase in brightness results in improved visibility, especially in low light conditions, giving you more time to react to potential hazards while driving at night or in poor weather. The Sylvania H11 XtraVision high-performance halogen headlight bulb offers a noticeable improvement in brightness and clarity compared to standard halogen bulbs. With up to 40% more light, these bulbs ensure that you can see the road more clearly and spot hazards much sooner. The bright, white light is easy on the eyes, offering a balanced beam pattern that improves road visibility without causing excessive glare for other drivers. These bulbs perform exceptionally well in both high beam and low beam configurations, as well as in fog lights, ensuring that your vehicle's lighting system provides optimal performance across all driving conditions. Offering up to 40% more brightness, improved clarity, and reliable performance, these bulbs deliver a noticeable upgrade to your headlights at an affordable price. Whether you need a replacement for your high beams, low beams, or fog lights, the XtraVision H11 bulbs offer great value and excellent performance. Our second best replacement headlight bulbs is Philips H11 Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulb. The Philips H11 Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulb is a reliable, high-quality option for drivers who want to upgrade their vehicle's lighting without breaking the bank. As a trusted brand in automotive lighting, Philips offers a product that delivers excellent performance, durability, and enhanced visibility on the road. Perfect for drivers who want to improve their night driving experience, the H11 bulb provides superior lighting compared to standard halogen options. Philips is known for the durability of their products, and the H11 halogen bulb is no exception. With a longer lifespan compared to regular halogen bulbs, you can expect fewer replacements, saving you time and money in the long run. Installing the Philips H11 halogen replacement bulb is quick and straightforward. It's a plug-and-play replacement for your existing bulb, with no special tools or modifications required. This makes it a hassle-free solution for drivers who want to upgrade their lighting without complex installations. The Philips H11 halogen replacement headlight bulb offers impressive performance for a halogen bulb. The brightness is significantly better than standard bulbs, making it easier to see the road ahead and drive with confidence at night. The light output is clean and crisp, ensuring that road signs, pedestrians, and other obstacles are clearly visible from a distance. Third pick in our list is Rimthin Super Bright Headlight Bulb. The Rimthin Super Bright Headlight Bulb offers a notable upgrade for drivers seeking improved visibility and a better overall driving experience at night. Known for delivering powerful lighting, these bulbs are designed to enhance road safety and provide superior illumination compared to standard bulbs. With a focus on brightness and performance, Rimthin's headlight bulbs are a popular choice for those looking for an affordable and reliable upgrade for their vehicle's lighting system. The bright, crisp light produced by the Rimthin Super Bright Bulb improves visibility on the road, especially in challenging conditions such as rain, fog, or dark roads. The enhanced beam pattern ensures better coverage, allowing you to spot hazards from a greater distance and react more quickly. These headlight bulbs are built to withstand the elements, with a robust design that is weatherproof and able to handle harsh driving conditions. Whether you're driving in rain, snow, or intense heat, The rimthin super bright headlight bulb is designed to keep performing without failure. The rimthin super bright headlight bulb offers a solid performance upgrade for drivers looking to improve visibility and safety at an affordable price. With its bright LED light, energy-efficient design, long lifespan, and easy installation, it's a great option for those wanting to enhance their vehicle's headlights without the cost of premium lighting systems. Whether you're driving in the city or on dark country roads, these bulbs provide excellent illumination and improved road coverage. Number 4 in our side is Beamtech D4S HID Headlight Bulbs. The Beamtech D4S HID headlight bulbs are a top choice for drivers looking to upgrade their vehicle's lighting system to provide brighter, clearer, and more efficient illumination. These bulbs are designed to offer superior brightness compared to halogen bulbs, and they utilize HID, high-intensity discharge, technology to provide a more focused and intense beam. With increased light output and longevity, Beamtech D4S HID bulbs promise to enhance both the performance and safety of your headlights. HID technology is known for its durability and longevity. The Beamtech D4S bulbs have a much longer lifespan compared to halogen bulbs, typically lasting up to 3,000 hours or more. This translates into fewer replacements and long-term savings for drivers. The light emitted by the Beamtech D4S HID bulbs is well distributed, ensuring a wider, more consistent beam on the road. This allows for better visibility of road signs, pedestrians, and potential hazards from a greater distance, making it easier to drive safely at night or in foggy conditions. The Beamtech D4S HID headlight bulbs are designed to significantly enhance your vehicle's lighting. The bulbs produce a bright, white light that closely mimics daylight, making night driving safer by offering better contrast and clarity. This extra brightness and clear light also provide excellent beam coverage, improving your overall visibility on the road. Last in our best replacement headlight bulbs list is Techmax H11 light bulb. The Techmax H11 light bulb is a high-performance lighting solution designed for drivers seeking superior brightness and improved road visibility. Known for its impressive light output and energy efficiency, this bulb is an excellent choice for those looking to upgrade their vehicle's headlights for better driving conditions, especially in dark or foggy environments. Whether you need improved headlights or fog lights, the Techmax H11 light bulb delivers consistent performance with a focus on safety and ease of use. The Techmax H11 light bulb is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's lighting system with high-performance LED bulbs. With superior brightness, wider beam coverage, and excellent durability, these bulbs improve nighttime driving visibility and safety. Their energy-efficient design and long lifespan make them a cost-effective investment in the long run. The Techmax H11 light bulb is highly recommended for drivers looking for an easy-to-install, energy-efficient upgrade to improve road visibility and driving safety, especially in low-light and adverse weather conditions. Each bulb has long-lasting non-fading lifetime of 3,000 hours. IP67 and high-temperature material bulb base can avoid the atomization and vaporization caused by lighting.